Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this butterfly knife. I've had it for a few years, and it's more one of the Chinese butterfly knives, but it's actually pretty good. It's there's no wobble in the handles, and I've never tightened them. Like, there's no wobble at all, and never really used it. Here's the design. I'll be giving it away with another butterfly knife. You'll be getting two, actually. Once I get to 100 subscribers, the still tight lockup. Really nice. I think both of them were about $15–20. So you'll be getting two free butterfly knives. The other one is it's all black with a black blade, and it says cheetah on both sides. And once I get to 100 subscribers, I'll do a video of a random name, random username picking, and you'll be getting the knife, both of them actually, and I'll be paying for shipping. So all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment if you want to go and be in the contest. And that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching.